Union Minister Pralhad Joshi has publicly distanced himself from his brother Gopal Joshi, who is currently at the center of a fraud investigation. The minister's office clarified that the two brothers have been separated for more than 20 years and Joshi has no connection to his brother's personal or professional dealings. An affidavit was filed in 2012 and an advertisement was published in a local newspaper to affirm their separation. The ongoing investigation has led to the arrest of 3 individuals, though Gopal Joshi remains absconding. The fraud case linked to financial misconduct involving Canara Bank was originally lodged by the bank's Deputy General Manager. Union Minister Joshi emphasized that he is no way involved with his brother's financial activities and has reiterated that his public and political career should not be associated with the case.
Myself and Mr. Gopal Joshi plus another one, we are 3 brothers. They are claiming that there is a sister by name Vijay Lakshmi, that I have seen it in media. I have no sister, let me clarify. I have no sister, we have, but except my wife who are there in the entire country, entire world, they are all my sisters, that is different. But otherwise, biologically, we are 3 brothers. I have no sisters. That is number 1. And that I don't know who is that Vijay Lakshmi. We are 4 brothers, that also I would like to clarify you. And 1 brother died in accident in way back in 1984. So now we are only 3 brothers. Especially on Mr. Gopal Joshi, on earlier occasion also, when he faced some allegations on his conduct, there also brother of State Bharatiya Janata Party President, that used to be headline in many media, and at that time I went to the City Civil Court Bangalore for linking my name with him. The details are clearly stated in the affidavit order signed on 22/11/2013, almost 12 years back, little less than 12 years. As per the affidavit and subsequently order passed by the court, the plaintiff and Gopal V. Joshi have separated since more than 20 years at that time. In this connection, they have executed a family arraignment deed, arraignment, not arrangement, arraignment. Arraignment deed or Vyavasthapana Patra on 17/3/2012. Before to that, we had that also. At that time also, my name was linked. Therefore, they do not constitute any joint family status or any joint transaction, socially or financially. The plaintiff is not at all connected with him in any manner or with the profession or transaction. And also, court also, after giving this, after giving all these details to the court, the City Civil Court passed the injunction order also at that time. And also, through my lawyer, it is pertinent to mention here that I had also published an advertisement in leading local dailies on 9/11/2012 that whosoever quotes my name for getting work done or any such claims, I am no way connected and responsible for such claim of others. This advertisement was published.
Home Minister G. Parameshwara confirmed the investigation's progress, stating that the law is being followed diligently. Authorities are awaiting further details from those already arrested, which may shed light on Gopal Joshi's role.
ಕೇಸಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಜನನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಜೋಶಿಯವರ ಬ್ರದರು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಜೋಶಿಯವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
While speculation about the involvement of Pralhad Joshi has been circulating, officials have stated it is too early to draw conclusions about his connection, if any, to the case. As the investigation continues, Joshi's office reiterated the importance of protecting his reputation, stressing that the attempt to link him to his brother's alleged misdeeds is an effort to defame and harass him. The affidavit he submitted in 2012 underscores the legal separation between the two.